If you're looking to get rid of parasites, then you're going to want to check out these 4 herbs. And at the very end, I'm going to tell you guys about a therapy that I've used for over 15 years to help speed up the entire detoxification process. Number 1, zeolites. Zeolites are a volcanic mineral that can trap and remove toxins from your body, specifically heavy metals and other radioactive material that you might have been exposed to. When you're detoxing from parasites, it's key to add zeolites to the mix because you need something to help bind all the toxins, because when you start taking all these other herbs, you're going to start releasing them. It's also been known that parasites hide around heavy metals. So zeolites are a great herb to take in helping bind up these heavy metals and getting rid of them. Number 2, cloves. Cloves have a compound inside of it known as eugenol. And this compound has been known for its anti-parasitical effects on the body. Eugenol can help destroy or kill parasite eggs, while at the same time benefiting your digestive system. Number 3, black walnut. Black walnut has been known to help fight the adult parasite bodies, while at the same time helping heal the intestines and supporting the liver. Number 4, wormwood. Wormwood contains compounds that interfere with the metabolic processes of parasites. It also helps stimulate certain acids and biles within the digestive system that make an inhospitable environment for parasites to live in. And to top it off and speed up the detoxification and elimination process, ozone therapy. Ozone therapy creates an oxygen-rich environment within the body that parasites cannot live in. It also helps speed up the detoxification processes that the clove, black walnut, wormwood, and zeolites give within. So by adding ozone therapy to the body, you're basically speeding up what these herbs are doing. They all work synergistically together, especially when you have ozone in the mix. Hi, my name is Charles Barber. I've been a holistic practitioner for over 15 years. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe or leave a comment below if you'd like to learn more information about how to cleanse your body from parasites.